Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on another yard in Copart and we're here in our almost local. It's about an hour and a half away from our shop. We're here to look at about, I think there's 500 cars playing today. So out of 500 we got to pick up at least two, I'm hoping. So we came with a 2-car trailer. We got a pretty big list. We're also running behind on time, so time's running and the auction's about to start soon. So we got to walk around, find all these beautiful little cars. So we got some trucks, some cars, some SUVs. I think there's a boat if we could find it and a camper. So let's go ahead and check out these cars and see if we get something. All right, so here we have on the list is a 2018 Mercedes. And these are pretty cool cars. So this one has damage, I think, not everywhere. But I think it was all over damage posted. So there's all-wheel drive, so it's kind of nice. Got some aftermarket wheels. Let's check out this interior. Interior is pretty sweet looking. So far the front end, everything like that's looking good. But the interior is pretty rough. I don't know. We got this one. Battery's dead on it. So maybe we'll start, maybe not. But kind of liking it. The pictures look better than it was, but let's keep going. All right, so here we have on the list is a 2021 Honda Insight. So it looks like it's got front end damage. So this doesn't look too bad. Definitely the hood's damaged. We gotta look inside, see if there's any parts. The rebar is definitely damaged. The apron looks pretty good. The hood gaps on this side looks pretty good. And this is a hybrid. So, but the radiators, all that is pretty nice. Check out the interior. So there's parts inside. I don't know if in the pictures there were. That's a good sign. So we got that. Let's see if we got any power. Yep, nope. Oh, we got power. Let's make the trunk open. Let's check out the rest of it. So this is looking pretty good. It's a hybrid. That's pretty cool. Definitely very dirty. So we get some more power to this thing. See if it open the trunk, check out the rest of the. Okay, let's see. There we go. Let's see if that works. It's got good miles, 25,000 miles only. Oh, the trunk's not opening. But at least it's got most of the bumper. I don't know about the fender or anything like that. Let's see if we can open this. There it is. Ah, so we do have a fender. Flattened, but no headlight. So this might not be that bad. It's got the side skirt. Most of the bumper is there, so I kind of like it. I guess we'll see what it goes for. Let's keep going. All right, so here is the truck. This is a 2020 Chevy Silverado. The damage looked really hard, but we're here, might as well check it out. And after looking at it, I mean, the hood goes to here, and look how much it's in. Oh my goodness. That is definitely a hard hit. Can't even open the door. Wow. Yeah, so, I mean, definitely anything can be fixed, but that is, let's see if anything over here is broken. I mean, dash is intact, all that stuff's intact. All that over there. Maybe we can open the hood. highly doubt it. Yeah, so that's kind of crazy. They must have hit something really hard. Let's keep going. All right, so we have a GMC Terrain, and for some reason this thing has water damage. So definitely let's check it out because the pictures look pretty good. It's not a run and drive, so who knows? Maybe it's just got a bad engine. Maybe it's just bad battery. Who knows? But we're here, so might as well go check this thing out as long as we can find it. So should be pretty close. Then let's see, it should be here somewhere. All right, so I'm not seeing this GMC Terrain, but there is a Silverado right here. So let's go check out that really quick. It's gonna be this blue one right here. And we got a Spider. No more. So this one's got front end damage. Looks like something fell on it. So means the frame should be good. Hopefully airbags are good. All that. Let's check it out. Wow. Can't do it. So at least they taped it up, which is good. Still smells brand new. Seatbelts are good, everything like that's good, so definitely liking it. So this support looks good. A lot of damage there. That should be no biggie. Kind of like it. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, so here is the GMC Terrain. It's looking good so far, but as soon as we open the door, we should be able to see what kind of flood this is. Oh, you can smell it. You can definitely smell it. Whew. I don't know. Let's keep going because I do not want to deal with a flood. But just in case, let's see. Electrical problems, keys will not. Yeah, because it's flooded. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, so the Honda Insight is playing. Let's see if we can get this thing. Oh, there we go. 42.50. Okay, 43 I'm winning. And this auction is playing good. It's nice to sit in the truck. Got some AC going. 44, 45. We're winning slowly. There we go. Keep going. Man, this thing is hot. I mean, the value of it says it's 24,000, so 47, 48 I'm winning. So that's, I mean, that's still a really good deal. Man, El Salvador wants this thing. Not today. That's what he told me. 49. Okay, let's keep going. 49. 5,000 already. What the? I mean, it is a Honda Insight. 52. Come on, El Salvador, let it go. I'm gonna wait till last minute. There we go. 53, 54. He's clicking right away. He wants this thing. Maybe they're gonna drive it home like I am. Now we got the trailer, so we're gonna put it on. 5,500. Nope. Man, we'll wait till last minute. We got time, so we got time. Okay, there we go. 57, 58, 59. Wow, this thing is going. 61. We started a bid at what, 4,000? Okay, make sure there's no airbags deployed, nothing like that. And remember, 63 I'm winning. 64. Man, El Salvador wants this thing. We're gonna make him wait, you know. Let's do 67. Man. 69. Okay, we're winning. Here we go. Come on, under 7,000. Let's go. 69. Nope, 7,000 already. El Salvador. So 71. I'll click. I think that's still a good deal. The value's still there. The airbags are good. We can still do a little bit of work. Not a big deal. 7,100. 7,100. Here we go. Bonus time. 7,100. This is exciting. Let's go. Put on the trailer right now, or after we pay for it. But okay, hopefully 71, 71, and heck yeah, we got it. Let's play the next one. All right, guys. So the 2021 Silverado's playing. I'm winning 12-3. Let's go. Let's go. No way. No way. 12-3. Really? Heck yeah. Heck yeah. And oh my gosh, come on, Florida. Not today. 12-5. I think that's a really good deal for this thing. No airbags deployed. Just got, looks like a tree fell on it, you know. So 12.5. Let's go. Let's go. And what the heck? What delay? Okay, 12.7. I think that's still a really good deal. I could have got it for 12.5. Come on, Florida. 12.7. Let's go. Let's go. Bonus time 12.7. Heck yeah, that's cheap. I mean, it has no front glass, but we can still drive it home. No, come on, North Carolina. 12.8. 12.9. Where'd North Carolina come from? Here we go. Here we go. 12.9. Let's go. Let's go. Heck yeah. 12.9 for that Silverado. I think that's a really good deal. So far we got 2 cars. Let's put those on the trailer and see what happens. Alright guys, so he got the Silverado right there. Maybe we'll just drive it on the trailer instead of putting it on. Less damage. But if you guys don't remember this trailer? We bought this right here in this yard. It was sitting right there. It's like a full circle, you know, it comes back to do work. So that's a really good sign. The trailer so far is doing a good job. But let's get these 2 loaded and hit the road. Alright guys, and just like that, we got these 2 cars. I think we did good for today. Just coming here, checking them out, getting them. I think we paid a pretty good sub price, but leave us a comment down below, you guys. Did we pay good or did we buy bad? So I'm excited. Let's hit the road and get out of here.